Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. We have been learning chapter number 1, that is real numbers. In previous class we had learned about several concepts which you had learned already in your 9th grade, which are necessary for solving the problems in real number concept. Such a way, in this class we are going to learn two new concepts, that is Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. These both concepts are useful for the division process. If you want to divide one number by another number, you can use these concepts. Now we can see what is Euclid's division lemma. This is the new concept you have to know before directly getting into the problem. So now we are going to learn what is Euclid's division lemma. As I said earlier, Euclid's division lemma is useful for the division process. If you want to divide one number by another number, let's assume A is one number and B is another number. You have to divide A by B. Okay, this is A is integer and B also integer. You are going to divide A by B. In this concept, you are going to use this Euclid's division lemma. Here, Euclid's division lemma formula is A equals BQ plus R. Here, A is first integer and B is second integer. So, we can say A is a dividend, B is a divisor, Q is a quotient, R is a remainder. For example, if you are taking 22, 7, this is A, this is B. Just assume this is A and this is B. Okay, you have to divide 22 by 7. So here, what is A? A is 22. A is 22. B is 7. Alright? And we can say this A is dividend. And B is divisor. B is divisor. Q is a quotient. Q is a quotient and R is remainder. R is remainder. Here, Euclid's division lemma should satisfy some condition, that is R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. What is R here? Remainder, right? And what is B here? Divisor. In all the cases, this lemma should satisfy this condition. Okay, here let's check. Let's assume we are dividing this 22 by 7. If I am taking 7 table, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, right? So 3 into 7 be 21. And if you are subtracting 1 from 2, we'll be getting 1, right? And 2 from 2, we'll be getting 0. So here the remainder is 1. This is the quotient. Quotient is 3, right? So just check this condition. R is 1 here, right? The value of R is 1. And B. What is B here? 7. This condition satisfying, right? 1 less than 7. This is true in all the cases. Okay? This condition is true in all the cases. 1 less than 7. Here you have to remember this condition, R greater than or equal to 0 less than B. Okay, this is all about Euclid's division lemma. And next we can learn what is Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm also used for division process. Okay, but here main application of this algorithm is to find out the HCF. What is HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. If we are using Euclid's division algorithm, we will be able to find out HCF of two numbers. Okay, now you'll be able to understand with the example. Now we can see some example. Okay, here I am taking the same number 22 by 7. You have to divide 22 by 7. Now we are going to use Euclid's division algorithm for finding the highest common factor. In this case, what is the task is, you have to find out the HCF of 22 and 7. Okay, we are going to find out HCF of 22 comma 7. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to divide 22 by 7, right? The main thing is we are going to find out HCF of 22 comma 7. For that what you have to do is you have to divide this 22 by 7 first. Okay, 22 by 7. So in each and every step you have to follow Euclid's division lemma formula. What is Euclid's division lemma? A equals BQ plus R, right? So this process is nothing but it's a division process, but in which stage you are reaching the remainder as 0, this division process will get stopped. So in that stage, whatever number you are having as a divisor is called as highest common factor. Okay, if you're doing this problem, you'll be able to understand. Now we can see 3 into 7 is 21, right? So 22 minus 21, 1. So I am going to apply all the values of quotient, remainder, divisor, dividend in this formula. Okay, so what is A here? 22, right? And what is B here? 7. Q 3 plus what is R? 1, right? In this stage we are having the remainder as 1, right? You have to, what is the concept? You have to continue the process till you are getting the remainder as 0, right? So I am going to continue the next step. In next step, this divisor would become dividend. This divisor will become dividend. Okay, and this remainder will become this divisor. You have to remember, in next step the divisor will become dividend and this remainder will become this divisor. Okay, so in this formula, this is the basic formula we are going to follow in each stage. So in next step, what would be A? 7, right? 7. And what should be the value of B? 1, right? 1. And in this stage, we have to find out the value of Q and R. So here we are going to divide 7 by 1, right? 7 by 1. And if I am taking first table, we'll be getting 7 into 1 is 7, right? 7 minus 7, 0. In this stage, I am getting the remainder as 0. So I can apply the value. What is Q here? 7. What is the remainder? 0, right? We reach this remainder as 0. So we can stop the division process here. The main thing is in which stage you are having the remainder 0. The number what you have as a divisor is called as highest common factor. Here what is the highest common factor? 1, right? Here 1 would be the highest common factor of 22, 7. So answer is HCF of 22, 7 is 1. This is all about the concept of Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm is nothing but it's a long division process. You have to continue the process until you reach the remainder 0. But in every stage you will be following Euclid's division lemma formula. This one, right? Euclid's division lemma formula. And in which stage you are having the remainder as 0, and that stage you'll be having one number as divisor, right? Here we have 1. So that particular divisor is called as HCF. Mainly these two concepts, Euclid's division algorithm and Euclid's division lemma, is useful for the division process. Okay. Main thing is if you want to find out HCF of something, you have to use Euclid's division algorithm. This is the new concept you have to know in this chapter. I hope this video helpful. This much I had in this video. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.